Hi, I'm Richard from DP Review, and I'm here to talk about the Canon EOS 80D, Canon's latest enthusiast DSLR. It's got a 24 megapixel sensor, but unlike the one in the recent Rebel models, this uses Canon's dual pixel AF system to give phase detection autofocus across most of the frame. And unlike the previous models, this gives continuous AF in both live view and video modes. The AF module the camera uses when you're shooting through the viewfinder is also upgraded. It now features 45 AF points, all of them cross-type. This is a big upgrade compared to the 19 points available on the 70D. The 80D also gains NFC to make its Wi-Fi easier to use. There's also a new kit lens, 18 to 135mm f 3.5 to 5.6 USM IS. It's the first lens to use what Canon is calling Nano USM, which it says will offer the high speed of traditional ring-type focus motors, but with the lack of noise and the smoothness that you need for video. On top of this, Canon has created an optional clip-on power zoom unit to help you shoot smooth zooms when you're shooting video. There's also an optional shotgun-style microphone. The upgrade to the 80D's core specifications already make it a pretty respectable update to the 70D. But the addition of the headphone socket and those video-specific accessories suggests Canon's been thinking as much about video users as it has about still shooters.
This is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II, a follow-up to the original 6D from 2012. It sports a new 26.2 megapixel sensor and sits below the Canon 5D Mark IV as a full-frame option for advanced amateurs. Many of its key features closely align with the APS-C 80D, like the camera's 45-point autofocus system, which is far more capable than the 11-point AF system of its predecessor, though the coverage is still concentrated to the center of the frame. There's no AF joystick, but the camera does offer a vari-angled touchscreen. It can be used to select a point of focus in live view, and Canon's dual pixel AF is an effective way to track subjects in stills or video mode. HD video is available at up to 60 frames per second, and the body includes a microphone input, though no headphone jack. In live view, using dual pixel AF, it can shoot up to 3.5 frames per second through the viewfinder and maxes out at 6.5 frames per second. The body is similar in design to the original 6D, though a tad larger and heavier. It is dust and weather resistant. Powered by the LP-E6N battery, accessory grip will also be available at time of launch. Other features include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC connectivity, as well as a 4K time-lapse mode. For more on the Canon EOS 6D Mark II, head to dpreview.com.
The Canon EOS Rebel T7i sits at the top end of the company's entry-level DSLR lineup. The T7i is targeted toward users who want an easy-to-use camera that offers advanced features that they can grow into. It features a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor and, for the first time on a Rebel, dual pixel autofocus. Dual pixel AF allows for quick focusing and reliable subject tracking in live view and movie mode, and the camera's fully articulating touchscreen lets you tap to focus. On the video side, the T7i can capture full HD video at 60p, and it has a jack for adding an external microphone. The Rebel T7i comes with Wi-Fi with NFC and Bluetooth. NFC allows for quick pairing with Android devices, while Bluetooth can send images to your smartphone as they're taken. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i offers a proven sensor and autofocus system and a broad feature set, making it a compelling choice for photographers seeking a compact yet powerful camera. For more information on the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, visit dpreview.com.
The 80D is Canon's newest enthusiast-level DSLR. As a follow-up to the 70D, the 80D is well-rounded and easy to use. It sports a new 24 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which offers much better dynamic range and low light performance than the 70D or 7D Mark II. The 80D has a new 45-point autofocus system with cross-type points. The center point is more sensitive to help focus in very low light situations. The 80D is well designed with a durable, weather-resistant body that's very easy to hold. It has a shutter rated to 100,000 cycles and should stand up well in typical use. Other features we love about the 80D are the fully articulated touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, and continuous autofocus in live view and movie capture modes. The quality of its HD footage is good, and its user-friendly design makes it easy to capture decent-looking video. It also offers some of the best autofocus during video capture of any DSLR. The 80D is a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a still and video hybrid camera for documenting everyday life. For more information about the Canon 80D and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.